Welcome to StockMarketPending.com on a nice day, 4th of July week. This is how we look at it. Not only do we look at it that way, we're looking at Apple chart right here. It's a weekly chart. And on Sunday, this past Sunday, we had weekly charts, and we were, telling people what kind of a bull trend that Apple has been in. And what we have seen is that last time we got here, we did a double week reversal. That was during a capitulation right here. So what? It doesn't matter. We ended up making another high. And now we're in a double week, and this is going to be referred to as a weekly gap down. That means that body right there, they got to get above there. That 10-week is starting to tilt. Today's selling got the equity to go down. And here's the bid and ask right now. 256.29. Swing low, 254.30. Okay. 268.30 was a close. So this was the daily action right here. Okay. And what you also can tell is that money flow is minus 234 million and some change. So you can clearly see that it was a distribution day for Apple, and that this weekly chart has got some warning signs to it. And being short on the up moves, selling short into it, is the right thing to be doing. You're starting to cross over here. As I said, you were too overbought. I said this on Sunday, that you were too overbought. Okay? And you had 83 on a percent DS. Your blue bars referred to as moving average convergence divergence, or MACD is what we call it, is descending. It's that simple for the novice individual to understand that at least right now, at least on the second week, it's not in, that's that capitulation of the equity. So basically, on a weekly basis, if you take a look at the up days and the down days, which are 5 days, equals a week. So you could go back and look at a daily chart and look at each day. That's going to equal the closing price on Friday of one of these weekly bars. You'll know, though, that this weekly bar right here is called the SMF Pro Trader bar. It's a weekly bar, and it's right there. No ifs, no ands, no nothing about it. It blew right through it. That means when that happens, if on a weekly level, if I keep coming up here and I keep hitting that trend line and I don't close above 264.30, forget about it. We're going to come back and make lower lows. When we came up here, we did some videos, and we got the 280 put right here. So for us buying off the bottoms and things like that, is we're already hedged well enough off the top to come in and start trying to buy some of those bounces. And that's the gift about working with the SMF weekly chart. Another thing you want to know, that right here is always going to be a major support level right here, right in the middle of half of this bar. That, even though that was a capitulation 5-6, it really doesn't matter. What will matter is it better not close below 250.93, because if it does, you're going to go lower. So that's the way that this Apple is, and it really bent that 10-week moving average, not going in the right direction. The blue line has been going up. Now we're starting to tilt. That's where weakness is in the stock.